His path was not easy, and ultimately, his leadership on behalf of others cost him his life. He sustained his path of peace through a sea of violence. He asked us to judge and to be judged by character, not by appearance.
He decided that in order to truly make this a better nation, where character matters over color, a good place to start is standing up for the less fortunate.
It's so important to actually take the time to really listen to someone's story. Then you'll be able to see the truth and better understand who they really are.
If we each live understanding what we say and do, the journey to end racism and hatred is simpler than we think, as long as we each do our part. It's treating each other the way that we'd like to be treated.
Please do not let your goals, your dreams, your passions, your loves fade when we have so much more greatness to achieve. For we might be in the valley, looking up at where victory and equality reside, but together we can climb to the summit and be proud of where we are.